Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Let's continue our beautiful journey of learning German language. In today's video, we are going to learn German alphabet. There are 4 more letters in German alphabet. These are
E, Ö, Ü, End, SZ.
The 2 dots on A, O, U are called umlaut.
These umlauts change the sound of the letters. So, let's see the pronunciation of German umlauts.
Now, let's see the pronunciation of
E,
Äpfel, Äpfel. Mädchen, Mädchen. Männer, Männer. Käse, Käse. März, März. Now, let's see the pronunciation of
Ö, Ö.
Österreich, Österreich. Hören, Hören. Öffnen, Öffnen. Wörter, Wörter. Löffel, Löffel. Now, let's see the pronunciation of
Ü, Ü.
Grüße, Grüße. Brücke, Brücke. Rücken, Rücken. Küche, Küche. Müll, Müll. Now, let's see the pronunciation of German special letter SZ, which is also called scharfes S, sharp S. SZ. Groß, groß. Fuß, Fuß. Schließen, schließen. Fluss, Fluss. Straße, Straße. So, that is all for today. Thanks for watching.